Ka jingthmu tur sekretariat daki nongshong shnong ka daistong haringkat ki dekhot ka seng Jaintia National Council JNC bat ka Jaintia Students Union JSU ha ka khat pratrik jemang kala sha khanglat no shashiteng denti ha ki bor pulit bat ki magistrate kani ka jingat pat ba kelas dang na Madan Malki ha ka bala sakhiru ki jingtho ki ba pendram jur ya ka sarkar bat ka jingdawa ban pendam no ya ka public hearing kabaya day bat ka jingthmuti maushun da ka company Shri Cement halum serman ilaka nongkli kabala thmu ban penlong ha ka arpu artrik jemang Henry Schwaben poi ha secretariat kani ka kinhun kala sha khanglat no ha ki pulit bat ki magistrate ngimkwa ban pendan kam ya ka bor jongi nikwa bakan ka jingak hi kan long da kalenti ka bajai jai bat ka baya buram markilyang hapedeng ki bor district bat ki bor pulen ong u president ka JNC u ba sambor milindo haba banram ngidon hangni menta kasngi ban pen pausha ya ka sur ka jongi sha ka sarkar hapedeng kan ka jingak hi klami ru ki jingken no baka environment impact assessment EIA jong ka Shri Cement kalapan Kenya ka Meghalaya Land Transfer Act bat ya kabala ay jingbit dakadenti kababean. Ka ay kabangilap ha ka EIA kalong kabasngaw sammon ong uba sambor mi. Haswa ba kano ka company kan laban pinlong ya ka public hearing kide banyo ya ka jingbit nakasor karjala Henry ha ka ni ka EIA jong ka Shri Cement ngila sakhi bakalak daw siya ikikindon trekam bala menjur da ka SEIAA bat ka SEAC jong ka sarkar Gujarat. Kumta kani kalong kababean pura ulaong. Uba sambor mi ulaong baka seng kaladap an ujor syakitanat bapher ka sarkar jala Henry kamshimla yo ya kajing pensyai kabathikna kat haduk mentah. Ula benrap baka jing bishar ha usnam baladam kinong shnong kashnong daistong kimshimla yo ya kalat benya shimbenta bat kamru baki seng bahalang kilasyak khanglat hasiteng lenti lingba kajing khang ya kisurak daki trok dampa. Kajing thmu penlong ya ka public hearing kalong halor ka jaka batmuti motion ha ka jaka ka bahe haduk palat arspa khatnyo hekta ula ong haba benram ngikwa ya ka sarkar bakan pensange mardor ya ka public hearing namar kalong kabebean ula kinno ru bakaladon kajing pendan kam daki buj ban penting pensmit ikinong shnong haswa ban penlong ya ka public hearing ha ka arpo artrik jemang ula ong ru baka GHEDC ka bade banlong ka bor ka ban pet ikijaka puta jong ki riulum Henry kamsham na don benta ha ka EIA jong ka ni ka company habak daw halor ka public hearing ka baladam u General Secretary ka JSU uba Nilki Mukhim ula kinno na ka baong nilayo i baka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board MSPCB kala persyang ban pendan kam daki kinhun mafia bat girunar ban khanglat iki patba ki ba persya kani kadai ka jingle ka bamla ban pediang hakasen syar patba lada la khanglat ban pensngawi ki sur ki jongi kumtaru kamde ka public hearing ni ka jing pensngaw patba Henry kadai ka private hearing ni ka jing pensngaw shiman shu uba sambor mi ula ong baga kinhun menta kan thau ya ka committee bat kinong shnong ka ilaka nongkli haringkat ka JNC bat ka JSU bat kila ban khotsngaw bhaya baro ki seng bhalang na East Jaintia Hills haswa bakin penbenai ki senjam ki babut jongki.
We have been starting this protest since last year. Last year we have the public hearing of the Shri Cement regarding the plan. And what we found on the EIA of this Shri Cement is that they violate the Meghalaya Land Transfer Act. And we have right our concern, or we have right our complaint to the different department in the state of Meghalaya. But till date, we are not receiving any official clarification from this department. And plus that in the public hearing which had been held last year, the people from the village of Daistong, they are not getting a chance to participate in the public hearing. And we the NGOs also, they have stopped us on the way by blocking the road with their dumper. So we have seen like this cement will be having another public hearing for their mining, for the limestone mine. And the area is more than 217 hectares. And what we found in that EIA is very comedy, I can say, like the terms of reference before any company could conduct a public hearing, they should receive a term of reference from the state government. But what happened in this public hearing of in this EIA of the Shree Cement, we came to know, we have been witness. It's clearly said like the terms of reference has been approved by the SIA of the Gujarat and the SEC of the Gujarat government. So this is purely illegal, and we have write it to the concerned department. Until that, the government has not responded to our demands. So today we are here on Shillong to protest, to raise our voice to the government, because in East Jaintia now, to conduct this public hearing, we know like the government are trying to deploy their mafia, their gangster and all, to stop the public to stop the public from participating in this public hearing. So we from the JNC and the JSU, we are against this step taken by the government to deploy this mafia to stop us. So right now we have declared our protest and our agitation is no more to the Shree Cement, but it's directly to the Meghalaya government. Because without the concern of the government, no company can settle their plant in the state of Meghalaya. And you know what? This cement plant, when they come to settle their plant, or they try to brainwash our public by offering them that they'll bring jobs and all to the public. But what we have witnessed in our district, we have 8-9 cement plant in East Jaintia already, and a lot of coke factories. And we have seen like all the employers are from outside the state. Only a few percentage which is from our local village only, not from the state as a whole. So we, the JNC, we used to write to the government to come up with a policy so that 80% of the employee in this cement company should profit our indigenous tribal of the state as a whole, the Khasi, Jaintia and the Garo. So this is our main demand. So we want the government to stop this public hearing because it is clearly illegal.
So you are supposed to march towards the Secretariat. What happened?
No, actually we have asked the permission from the administration. So they have give us a permission till here only. So because this is just the beginning of our protest, so we don't want to use our force. We want this protest would be peacefully and with respect to both sides, to the administration and to the police department. So we are here today just to make our voice clear to the government. So our next step after here, we will have a committee, the resident of the Ilika Nongkli and from both the JNC and the JSU, and maybe we can call all the NGOs from East Jaintia Hills and Jaintia Hills, and we'll declare our next step. One of the who used to lead the villager, they came to know that there is a lot of tourist place on that area. There is a cave, and one cave also is connected to our history. Like when we have a war with the British on 1861 and 62, our freedom fighter Kiang Nongba hide on that cave. And if that mines of the company will continue, all those caves will be destroyed, and the river Litany also it will be destroyed. And plus that the surrounding of that area is all the paddy field of the people. So the agricultural land also will destroy, and the livelihood of the people also will be destroyed out.
From that public hearing only, we have come here to oppose and try to make the government to scrap this public hearing. So as you all know that in last public hearing, the government tried to violate that office of the public hearing. So this time the government tried to implement or organize the public hearing in a sense that even that head of the Elaka, they are giving the statement to the public. So the people, Jaintia outsider or outsider of the village of the Daistong, they could not come and give any votes to them. So we from the NGO, from different NGO, JSU, JNC, and the villages, especially the villages of Daistong, we have come today with heavy heart because that the people, the government misuse the people to threatening the people. They should not come to oppose or support in this time public hearing. So we have come. The main reason we have come, so the government try to violate all these things regarding this public hearing. If the government proceed forcefully this public hearing, so we from NGO or whatever, we will protest and give the message. I don't know, like sometimes like we could not give a message to government, but we try to block the official to conduct this public hearing. It might be announced the public curfew or it may happen anything on that day, but if anything happen on that day, the district administration and the government should take responsibility. We did so many things in this public hearing. First violation the government tried to violate in this public hearing is this local, they sell the land to the non-tribal, that is Bharat Sharma. So this Sarpai Suklain, the owner of the land, the owner of this area, he tried to sell this land to the Bharat Sharma, that is the owner of the company. So he tried to violate the Land Transfer Act 1971, because in 6th schedule you cannot sell the land from non-tribal to non-tribal. So the second thing, this EIA is belong to the Gujarat, because according to the terms and reference, this is EIA is belong to Gujarat. Why? Because the government of Meghalaya try to conduct the public hearing on behalf of the Gujarat people, not on the behalf of the Meghalaya people. That is the second thing. And then the third things the government tried to violate regarding this public hearing is JHEDC. JHEDC is a Jaintia Autonomous District Council who look this authority, who hold the authority, land and everything. But even single JHEDC is not involved in the EIA of this company. So with this regards, the government try to stop even the public hearing also in that district administration. The government try to violate the law and orders. The government did not give the right to protest, or the right to from the opposition side or from the support side. So we have seen that in last public hearing that this Shri Cement company conduct, we have seen that this Meghalaya Public Pollution Control Board, they try to use their mafia and gunda to block these people. So this is not acceptable in democracy, because in democracy, like the people who want to support or oppose, they should get a chance to appear. Otherwise, there is no point to conduct the public hearing. We shall call this is not a public hearing, is a private hearing. That is the violation the government tried to violate in this public hearing. So we have come here not to stop the public hearing. So in a sense, the government should go legally, not forcefully regarding this public hearing. The last public hearing, government tried to do illegally, forcefully. So the government did not allow the East Jaintia district, especially that people of Daistong, they misuse the law and order. They try to stop the use gunda. They keep the threatening to the villagers should not come to the public hearing, otherwise they will use somewhere else. So I don't want to say anything regarding that, but the government tried to threatening the life of the people of East Jaintia district. So this is not acceptable, because they violate the fundamental rights. Because in the Constitution of India, everyone who wants to participate or oppose or whatever, they should get a chance. Otherwise, we cannot call it a public hearing. We can call it a private hearing, like I used to do.
Yaki mentai ibi hara ipan midi yang apliang za yang dedap dia lila masarkar ka dia wani pisai kita khonai na dia paten yang ami khon hinat yang the hana por amado zo badasnya hidak lamu mari chingi tedo tene hadoi krem mikro hadoi umiba hadoi ihli hatar hadoi rep iriang I chatai dang ini to harep hariang amatu krem lek pra liat pra le awada jo kaunam awa arpo rizantia yang jo snyo batpi amno hunna sarkar hawada ka jo snyo ngar jo hai penjat imrat imir yang izin tung izin tap iden yipra ad hawada kawan veluti yata tresimen bila penjat hatai hacnang daistong yang dia wani pami ila da sarkar hi arjupap hanesni boy hani dibenta ila pendami ya te project yang trisimen irlevani delele ihuni chatwan hani armentai bicha yung ari ajari bam dia revi dia ki ngahi jing snyo yang karpadi sing berole bi amlang bi senran lang bi le dado ini dedap senran hi kermenele hado wayo ya jing job hado wayo ya jubab na sarkar MDA Dohunil man sayung, sudu mensen ni mendapai, sudu dono ni bahaya ki, lupai kuni cah bi pau catai suari yang adu ide sing halang, iba prapenar, iba prari, yakibe egi, dano ya bari, hado iskateri yang ilaka, hado isherman yang ilaka, hunni, hado dalai, hunni winilam yi, amite ikhandi yang ki, hatu hima, iya wiki imni, isnyai, dadap yang ni, dapendang kata Sri Simen niki, dohai baji tenyapi, dohai bensa tangan ni, ngadan yang terpada isen, bicim kiaya ni kam, bi pendam ni, kita Sri pentanya lah, bi lalu tori dia jupar yang sarkar MDA, macam apa, kayu beri ai, ngajin siapa yang asalan yang ada sabiar ada sana, hari datang malah amat apa ai. Serbalah je berapi yang bisa dia tilang pipi ada apa. Jangan ni tadi bekerja aku belai aku kubat dia rawi iam lang wajing ini yang iam minang cade. Ha duduk ha sarkar aduh itu elang elak aduh itu elang senang.
Representative of Ilkano Kli Yongi, Open Mangi, yang ketika lihat but, lihat top, lihat tu. Negawam gerai ke Yong upat bak, usyo tu umi. Itu dah, nak ini ni OIP. Wahun bima, uduk yang kendau ke siap. Lada duk yang kendau ke siap. OIP imtoy umani kita nong chong hanok klik. Wat apa mikalia, wat hani tahu yang kat tele. Lada duk yang ni kendau yang ini manupai nong we real jong. Itu dah OIP. Siapa hamtin, hamdo jingkermen ini jingam lang sarkar. Wah ini ki mafia. Wah gini ki inong penwit ya hok ayong OIP yen yelek hamskap itu izin penting yang ki lada jia kumno lada man kumno le yen yelek hejui pot le OIP kami nong chong you the one support ne ni lada elaka awam cepatuli chnong ni po elaka wah le ka jingsoi agreement hejui to wagini ka treatment kawam wat kirang ba chnong yang nga go chong hatong sang nong kli le wam tibi tdong i kli tangwa ka sign ka agreement ka sil itu da penyo da ka sakhi setar yung wang chnong am jole stri ite taw nga sa prem chora ini le dan bor yung ni elka yung i bat le na pedeng kartu kat ni tli chnong i chnong kile mtipi jingi to gini UIP dan hani iu kendiat sini mi itu kubar wakat tu kan ningut upan snyogi dagi teki nong mikmat nyong ke elaka ongki wat ya giseng balang giseng trim wat so bale chagi rung upsia hatai ngakwa peremjur kwa le wai ipan snyau chupi kitu ki uklam ye kitu ki kenten hampan snyau ite jing duna yong pi haki kampuli puti lada pi impi hari sencar ba impi to usyo thupi hetu batai chego lada phai katkam ga Constitution of Free India kap batai go hetu article 19 fundamental right ongo hetu UME yang kata freedom of speech and expression but le enjoy por ME kata freedom to form association or union nite da OIP achok kalam phi pai di jing start hampan yo di jing bet ikam nang chong chong yudo ate pure puthi musim sorami wisa ri chong la da phi kam ni pensio phi yiti bet yong phi halor uman phi ki bru ki start ki utip ite daw ngam kwa pengun kwa penchi ni pa ale ni kupor chak sarkar wa hani arfatrik setangkat tusni dan hi yo poi ga public hearing oi ipensnyawi sebha yagi administration kentup ya you per department to upat hitai sebha wa kituki mafia to pendo jat pigi to khang tv hoi umi itu ye poi ijing yum snam pra nong kli yongi ba ani jing de ayong ki apa ya jing snam ya jing sosi ya jing yap nite daw snabha te lakang ya ani jing pmu yang pi hamle dan por katwa apor dang cha IP wi pembai no kat te mardor lalu to pendo sendon ya keniga treatment
Snong dai stong hapo yang ilaka nong kli te le ganti ba kalam le le sintin altin le ta kalam ikin yang ihi tin yang no chong sto yang ihi te ham sio per le de emi wel sio thule ham sio per jandai em he di sio thu yang ki hidin te nga yeng percha de liang public hearing OWM ha karasiang ubnai di sembar khat kendiri iyen tili dotslong ilaka dotslong destong hopo WM ilaka long khi te diyen tili ba ji horoi yiki ile de emate tri simen hotslong yong i snoi ite jindu yong i bokro ni ba i aminong chotslong hotslong destong to mani brui wado iwebe te i bomi ite i dhori wad klo de kzam heti thoi wasnai ka te simen te wat hdo ti idang patin dang lelu ti baji hdo ate teri arpu arteri yong new bunai ate patit wi poi yete public hearing halom sarman te ngade do wa makhat ar khat list mirta yong ya abi upanga chai te ilom sarman te lakhai is hori sembrit bat bet ro yu kuba yu ko yo ite bo mi de te biang te lewan yu mi de te jingkit yo i ito i wakia unto i westing iki pendab yu te po yo i de te yo i kite ja ipsa i de kon i de nat yo i tara to am te nga yin persa amanong chong chong ne stong po i la kana ki nga yin persa ibenta yo ne tri simen arhoi i emo hate po chnong yong i wat i wile i jingdu i bokru de do i khoni nat yong i hipetin kji yong i at nu jing syo si i jing yam jing thang mi sini hado nesni ar em lat aluti wa khang lat yate tri simen i po yo hi tada to amte nga syo jingdu bora kini por wa oh boy menstep mendiwi hipetin pedi yonga boy khoni nara irat kharki mo ile deo ki mo de le tho de le nara I bdo apisarem tam noi le hoi ya bi khoni nara yo I ngas yo ar hoi tawa adhanga irta yonga boy ar yuki at hipetin pedi yonga tip amnu ada to ar yonga hipetin pedi yonga jing pudu nora dung musina dibenta yong ite petin yong ite menret yong I ta ada to amte nga percadora dibenta yong ada simen
cancel scrap no ya kanika project behind ko wan rap hitai ko wayala makla ka simen ya ka sarkar leng baki EIA report ko yung ka ko bakla it is not a barren land it's a very much fertile land with a lot of forest covered within the vicinity of the project. So with few words, I would like to conclude pendamo, upikudo, jinong song dai stong, kamera jin nong rim gin lado kuwas dang, to wa percha gi kuam kwa gi upoy, henry upendo kaya gelog yung ki. Sinuyak ko gi. Emi magtaki agreement ko biang wa kay silisimen. Sinayala milaka, hampen bay yo pa wat kay no. Ilaka yung pile, ngayo bon mem kwa udo, yagi chakpo kayong ki kiniki krem. Kiwapon chok kinongrim ke sarkar dan TV ko paya representation lakadwaman jubabit ya ini jubab kayo lepi leman kadwaman le hab jubabi mentu hab pendampi mentu ya ketai ke project mining yung ka limestone yung ka cement wat ble pendam ka kanika project lakadwaman le kinong ke daistong da ka jingai mesin da ka jingai sanran laki umrandin kita lele laman kadwaman le Alada penbor pi uyok yang public hearing, penlai bay public hearing, ulai bay le tangwa kinang chong yang kadai stong, daun petenyi, hado job, lakat waman le.
Kadu Deputy CM kalong kabam saiso, nama kadu Deputy CM uang bakabor kamdan hanga. Uhap anikran baru CM uang. Hendak kajing sisang ila keran syai hau Deputy CM ru bagane ka EIA jong kane ka Shri Cement kalong illegal. Nomor ki klem ya ket kum ki an ki kendon jong ka state bat jong ka central hi borok away Tangila kerannya kata hendak nak kalian deputi siam tang kata kawai ong ingi ba unsai kran ba chief minister. Tangila ong ro uba la long ka bala postpone soya kene ka public hearing but re-examine ban kendang mi ikot kisla. Namar kumba ka long mentah kene ka Shri Simen ka ilam bakla ya ka sarkar jela. Hendak nak kalian deputi siam nginsu ong kumno tang kata ong ingi unsai kran ba usiam. Pina kalian jongi ngikwa ba kene ka public hearing kan long kan pensengek namar ngila yo ke bala aja kene ki public hearing bala dek jong kene ki company ki punan kam dak gang watang ki trasnong ru kim yo lat ban simbentah kene ka public hearing ta ka ka jing tumu lada kene ki sarkar ka ailat kene ka public hearing kin use the same policy tengila kentu ya ka sarkar ba ka de ban maintain ya ka law and order kenang ba kinong song snong mangi kisang bahalang in yo ban pensengau ya ka hok ka jong ina marka public hearing hi ka de ka jaka bangin pensengau pat ba namar pi kene ka jakale ki mut ban le ya ka mines kan kata ya baro kan kata ya kini ki krem ki balongkum ki tourist place kan kata ya ka wa liten but ngis ngopelar ba kumno ki khot ya kene ka lum serman ka shnong namar kene ka lum serman kam de ka shnong ka detang ka lum tengi lengo ru ba menu INOC ya kene ka public hearing ngintip hadu menta tolong ikwa ba ka sarkar kan examine kenya ki kot kisla jong kene ka Shri Simen hada ka jingi ki ka jong ikanum kut tangang ne ngin sepelong ki jingi ki akmat DC office kumban supenti pi haden bangi kum ka JNC bar ka JSU ngila samit jing tho syaki ministry jong ka sarkar India ka bade pe ka environment kila pharu ka jing tho sha DC jong ka East Jantia Hills buun re-examine ya kini ki complaints ki jongi laki ki de shishan am handa ngimti hadu menta ka ba ne DC ulala handa ya ka ne rungin sa buddin
kepada kaji susu jumpi naglang sukar kau temu benia bisa keman betray.
Am nakaliang ka sarkar hik lada kalong kumbakran une o deputi siam ngangit bakin sa pansanga ya kene ka public hearing namar ngidon kisaki ki babiang ki bangila submit sa ka sarkar bakane ka EIA jong kene ka Shri Simen kalong illegal misleading kalong ru ka ba yalam bakla te lada ka sarkar hi ka penlong be kene ka public hearing te ka pan isyahi bakane ka company ka de ka jong ka sarkar lane jong ki brief ki jong ka nakata ka interest adu kane kaladon ka jing euroi ya kinong snong kaladon ka jing pengken ya ki anjong ka sarkar jela bat kaladon ru ka jing ilam bakla ba kumno ka kot bala pedang ha Gujarat an pentreka Meghalaya lada ka sarkar kam screen ya kini kam examine ya kini ka pan ihi ba ka sarkar kala afet